Tip tap, plinky play, smiles grow brighter every day. Learning, laughing, come and see Mini Melon TV.
Hello friends, playtime fun will never end. But before we say goodbye, let's clean up. Come and try! Toys are here and toys are there. Blocks and cars are everywhere. Balls go rolling on the floor. Toys and games and so much more. Clean up, one by one. Pick up toys, it's lots of fun. Clean up, sing along. Working together makes us strong. Teddy bear on the cozy chair. Little ball goes over there. Books go back on the shelf so neat. Shoes go under tiny feet. Clean up, one by one. Pick up toys, it's lots of fun. Clean up, sing along. Working together makes us strong. Friends help friends, hand in hand, cleaning up the happy land. Share a smile, help a friend, fun and teamwork never end. Slow and steady, nice and sweet, every toy back in its seat. When we help and when we care, love and kindness fill the air. Clean up, one by one. Look around, the job is done. Clean up, shout hooray. We did great today. Yay, yay! Room is clean, smiles are bright. Mini friends did such a great job tonight. Wave goodbye and clap, clap, clap. See you soon. Nap, nap, nap.